We're in Yeongbokgung Palace. So this is the palace, no? Probably will enter minutes from now, but in front of the palace is very commercialized, no, area. Let us have a look. No? Korea is such a first world country. Even the underpass very clean, better than we discovered in Europe. So very organized also. So this is, tingnan natin, no? But according to Hana is a Myeongdong Palace. They preserve this as a heritage site. Siguro sa unang panahon pa, no? This is an area where the monarchy of Korea is based. To see here, no? They have very good na mga poses. To see here. Pasok tayo dito. We're in Incheon, no? South Korea, on our third day. This is officially Chandeokgung Palace, no? Or Changyonggung Palace. This is the main entrance of the palace, no? The facade is quite imposing. Okay, and in front of the palace you have people taking a lot of good shots, no, pictures. Dito na area siguro yung maganda yung view, no, because even in this location you have all people, tourists. Oh, this one ang ganda, no? This is the front area of the palace.